Good morning, everyone. I'm going to take you along today for a day of healthy living. We're going to do some meal prep. We're going to have some healthy food. We're going to work out. What else? There might be a dance class later, so come on along. All right, I'm dressed, I'm ready. Let's go outside, get a little movement on, and then a little meditation. Then we'll come back in and make some food. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, everybody. All right, picking some fresh strawberries for some breakfast. This garden is wild. It's basically a guerrilla garden. I've just kind of thrown things wherever. Let's grab some collards. And some lettuce. This is butter crunch. It's one of my favorite kinds. Little kale. I pick them even when they're young, just to kind of let them know we definitely want you. Keep growing. I think that if you interplant things, it can help keep pests away because different pests go after different plants. So I just try to spread it out. I don't really have any reason to plant in rows because I'm not harvesting on like a mass scale where I need to be super efficient. So I just plant herbs and veggies all throughout. Tomatoes are doing well. Let's get some lacinato kale. Oh man, cilantro. I'll just try to keep it down as best I can, but then we'll get coriander seeds, so it'll be okay. Kale. These are turnips. The turnip greens are so good. And lots more spinach. I try to get heat resistant spinach because spinach is another one that'll bolt so quickly as it gets warmer and just go to seed. Okay, what are we doing? I'm just gonna saute these greens up with a little garlic powder, salt, and olive oil. And soy sauce. That's how my kids like it, so that's what we're gonna do. This is a mixture of spinach, collards, turnip greens, kale, and Swiss chard, and like multiple varieties. I just like to get a bunch of random stuff and throw it in the garden so we can get just a lot of different nutrients throughout the season. Don't worry, this will cook down. Sprinkle a little salt on top. Olive oil, which we are almost out of. Soy sauce. Actually, this is tamari, which is gluten-free soy sauce. And garlic powder. So I'm just making a few random things for us to have on hand to use for like side dishes or lunches, things like that. Okay, we have this tofu that was marinating in the fridge, and now I'm gonna fry it up in the air fryer. Look how much this cooked down. So this is gonna be like a small serving for everybody, basically. The kids love these in their lunches. They just devour them, and they like telling their friends it's from their garden. So I might just keep these for lunches. Okay, fried tofu is another one my kids just love. They love snacking on it. So we're gonna make a little batch of that in the air fryer for them to have in their lunches. I just marinated in soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic powder. I think that's it. And then I just fry it at, I think I go at 400. I have the kind where you can like slide it in on these racks. And I think I do 400 for 5 to 10 minutes. I kind of check it at 5, maybe turn things around and then go for however long until they're crispy and golden all over. Okay, and I actually have to run out of here to have a meeting with the client, but I am right now just whipping up something really quick from leftover oatmeal, which is just, I'm adding a little shredded coconut, a little maple syrup because the oatmeal wasn't sweetened. There's some berries in here that was already in the oatmeal. It's just like leftover oatmeal from today. And then I'm gonna add a couple eggs, mix it up, and then I will bake it probably tonight or tomorrow and just have like an oatmeal bake thing for breakfast for tomorrow. Duck eggs are huge and they're great for baking. I don't love them as much in like an egg scramble. Some people do, I just don't. They are so good for baking. Leftover turkey. It's just on the fly. Bet it will fall. Okay, I'm gonna cover this and save it. And then also, I made my breakfast for today. Okay, so I'm gonna take my breakfast to go because I'm not really, don't get hungry always right first thing in the morning. But I'm gonna bring this with me, and it's just strawberries from our garden and this labna that is a Mediterranean style yogurt cheese, but honestly, I'm just gonna eat it like yogurt. And it's really creamy. It's kind of like a Greek yogurt. And I'm just gonna eat that with my berries. I'm gonna add some extra blueberries, also some cashews, and that's gonna be my breakfast today. All right, just having a little breakfast, just me and my plant friend. Yeah, so I had added a few berries and hi puppy, some cashews, some chocolate, like this chocolate coconut sauce I made last night. I added some of that in there, and yeah, it's gonna be so good. Look at how good that looks. Some blueberries, oh my gosh, roasted cashews, and this cheese is so creamy and a little sweet. Taste test. Oh my gosh, would you look at this beautiful day? So I just finished my work and I'm headed to lunch with some friends at a cafe that has a lot of good healthy choices. So I'll show you what I end up with. This is my Cobb salmon. Okay, let me look at my cute friends. Okay, well, I just had my guitar lesson, and then I found out that the dance class I was gonna go to tonight was way later than I thought. So I decided to just try for my workout and dance in town tomorrow. And so I just came back to our farm, and I'm just gonna hang out here, practice guitar, and I'll actually finish this vlog tomorrow. Okay, psych, I'm back. I thought I could show you guys what I'm having for snack and dinner tonight, just to give you some extra inspo, and then I'll also show you the rest of my day tomorrow. Okay. So this is my little afternoon snack. It's brown rice crackers with sesame seeds. This is a locally made cashew cheese from this company, Dare. It has cashews and coconut oil, and it's a truffle version, and a salt fermented pickle from Bubby's brand. So sipping on this tea. I make this in a big batch at the start of the week. It's got an organic chai spice mix. So it's just like a bunch of roots that I simmer, and I add in turmeric root, like fresh if I can find it, or just dried. And then after that's simmered, maybe like 30 minutes of simmering it, then I turn it off the heat. I add in calendula flowers and nettles and maybe a couple other herbs depending on how I'm feeling. Yeah, and then I just put in some collagen, and I just drink this throughout the week, a little bit of honey. So for dinner tonight, it is so simple. It's just artichokes with a little ghee and lemon, melted ghee and lemon, and then some ribeye, some grass-fed ribeye steak. All right, hello everybody. Well, it's technically a new day, but I'm just gonna continue on with the vlog here. I do want to tell you that the breakfast bars I made turned out so good. Oh my gosh. This is definitely one we're gonna repeat. But anyway, we're here at the gym, so I'm gonna do just a quick full body workout and then actually have a private dance lesson today. So you'll get to see that. I guess I'm just gonna have to finish this vlog right here. We had a really great night dancing that definitely burned some calories. Whew, it was so much fun. That's the best way for me to work out, is just to go out and have fun. So did that, and that's kind of a full day of day and a half of eating and working out for me. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time in Cloud Dojo. Thanks for watching.